Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to pick intraday stocks, how to filter those stocks which can move efficiently, right? So without any further ado, let's get into this. So first of all, you will have to log into iCharts.in. I request everybody to watch the complete video to understand this concept. There you will have to click screener EOD. Okay, so you will have a tab called advanced search. Click advanced search. Okay, here you will have to, this is most important, you will have to choose average volume to be greater than 10 lakhs. Okay, and last close greater than 100. Okay, this is just my individual interest. If you want, you can include this. And ATR is average true range, which means the stocks which can move, it's the range in which the stocks can move in a day. Alright, so ATR should be greater than 10, which means the stocks that I choose should at least move 10 points or greater than 10 points in a day. Okay, so with all these criterias I will search. So out of 1778 stocks, now there are only 177. You should export this data. Okay, now open this. These are certain datas which might not be very much necessary for you right now. Okay, so I delete this and delete these also. You can only keep last close and ATR and script name. Okay, now you can add ATR percent here. So you will have to put this equation or the formula saying is equal to ATR, right? ATR divided by the last close percent. So you will get a percent. You can drag this down completely, right? So now you can sort it from largest to smallest. Okay, so now I am not interested to trade any of the stocks less than 4%, which moves less than 4% in a day. Okay, so I'm more interested in those stocks which can move greater than 4% in a day, right? Now these are the stocks which move greater than 4%. You can exclude these 1M, 1M, 1M. These are nothing but the future contracts, which is not necessary. Okay, so now once if you remove all these future contracts, maybe you will have about 48 to 50 stocks. You should export all of these to your watch list, right? Like how I have done here, right? So accordingly you can wait for any entry, right? Trade setup, if you have your own trade setup, you can wait for any of these stocks to give you a proper entry to enter the trade, right? And accordingly you can enter. The good thing about these stocks is that if your stop loss is kept at least 1% of the move, you can expect the market to make another 3% move in a day, right? Giving you an opportunity of booking or receiving a risk to reward of 1:2 or 1:3. If you want to understand more about risk to reward, please comment below so that I can make another video about it, right? If you find this video helpful, you can please like it, share it, and also subscribe to my channel.